don't need a lot of money. I am richer with you by my side.
So today we are on a road trip with my family and we are here in Rotorua. Today we are going to go to Paradise Valley Springs, which we are at now. I'm going to watch a lion feeding and feed the animals and everything. And then later on today, we're going to be going to a thermally warm place to swim. Yeah, so it should be a good day.
I got 2 feet on the ground, head flying in the clouds. It's just the little things, all of the little things. Hands up in the sky, it's all gonna be alright. It's just the little things, all of the little things in life that make me feel alive. Flying in the clouds, it's just the little things, all of the little things. Hands up in the sky, it's all gonna be alright. It's just the little things, all of the little things in life that make me feel alive.
We just finished up at Paradise Valley Springs. It was really fun. We had lots of fun taking silly photos and feeding animals, petting lion cubs. So now we are headed off to find something to eat, and hopefully, I'm hoping, we're going to go to the hot and cold thermal water place. I've never been there before, but we're just going to see how the day pans out.